To solve this question, let's start by separating our mixed number and our fraction. So we have 7 plus 5/7. And now we can address this fraction isolated on its own. To convert this into a decimal, let's do long division. How many times can 7 go into 5? Well, 7 can't go into 5, so we need to add a decimal and add a 0. And now we're saying how many times can 7 go into 50? That would be 7 times. 7 times 7 would give us 49, and then we subtract and get 1. Then we can add another 0, bring that down, and say how many times can 7 go into 10? That would be once. 7 times 1 is 7. We subtract and get 3. Now I'm going to pause for just a second and look at my answer choices, because if we're looking at just the decimal values, the only one that matches so far is answer choice A, 0.71 or 7.71 once we add our whole number back in. At that point, you could mark A and move on with the rest of the test, but for the sake of the video, I will finish the division. From here, we'd bring down another 0. 7 goes into 30 4 times, which is 28. We would subtract and get 2. Now at this point, you would keep adding zeros until you finally got a number that went in, a multiple of 7 that went in with no remainder whatsoever. However, our answer choices only go to 3 decimal places, so that is as far as we need to go. So our final answer can be 7 plus 0.714 or 7.714, making answer choice A our correct answer.